Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can quickly get the picket fence on Grow a Garden. So I now have the picket fence and it's super cute. I actually really like it on my other garden. This one's kind of like my messier garden. The other one's a little bit messy, but it's not as like messy like this. But basically, you are going to go to your garden guide here and you'll see that I'm at level 10. So you are going to do some achievements here. You're going to get some achievements. Obviously, the harder the achievement is, the more XPs you get. I up my XPs from 1 to 10 in a span of 2 days, 2 to 3 days, and that's me not even playing it that much. And yeah, I believe you can do that too. The easiest ones to do is to just hatch some eggs and hopefully you get the pets that you need for this. Like the catch 'em all, and also some others that are easy. You can also do some core plants achievements here. Obviously the first one will gain you a lot of XPs and it is easier to do. Like in corpus as well, you can just put a dog and a golden lab to just finish up your achievements and get XPs and stuff like that. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can get the picket fence one. I think I'm just going to stick with this one. I don't really care that much for the other fences. Let me see, actually there is a golden fence, but I really like this one, especially all decorated. I think it's going to look super cute. So that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.